RYOBI 18V ONE HP Brushless 21 degree and 30 degree framing nailers. ONE HP Technology delivers the power to sink up to 3.5-inch clipped or full round head nails in dense materials. With up to 750 nails per charge, AirStrike Technology takes cordless convenience to a new level. No noisy compressors, bulky hoses, or expensive gas cartridges. Easy maneuverability matched with instant driving speed equals maximum productivity. The selectable drive switch puts you in control with the precision of single sequential mode or the speed of contact actuation mode. And the tool-free depth of drive adjustment ensures nails are set flush in a variety of materials. The RYOBI 18V ONE HP Brushless 21 degree and 30 degree framing nailers. Part of the ONE system. Exclusively at the Home Depot.